Change your assumption, and you change your world. What you believe to be true in your inner world will reflect in the outer world. Neville Goddard. You might be wondering how your thoughts can shape your reality. The truth is, what you dwell on, what you affirm to yourself consistently, has the power to mold your external world. Each thought, each feeling you hold within yourself, is like a seed being planted. As you nurture it through repetition and belief, it begins to grow, eventually manifesting as the experiences and circumstances in your life. It's important to understand the subtle power of affirmations. They are not just empty words, but declarations that can align your consciousness with the reality you wish to create. By using affirmations correctly, you set in motion a process that draws your desires closer. So, when you repeat an affirmation, such as, "I am abundant" or "I am loved," you are reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe that it is already true. The key is not in the repetition alone, but in the feeling behind the words. It's essential to feel the truth of the affirmation, to experience it within as if it has already come to pass. Words without feeling are like seeds planted on barren soil. But when you affirm something with deep conviction, with the feeling that it's already a part of your life, you begin to open the door to new possibilities. Now, let's break this down. Your mind is constantly creating. Whether you are conscious of it or not, you are always manifesting. Every thought you entertain, every belief you hold, sends out a signal to the universe. The more you focus on something, the more power it gains. That's why it's so important to direct your thoughts intentionally. When you begin to use affirmations, you are consciously choosing the thoughts you want to dominate your mind. Think of affirmations as a form of mental discipline. Instead of letting your mind wander aimlessly or get caught up in negative patterns, you are redirecting your thoughts towards a specific outcome. In doing so, you start to build momentum, creating a new pattern of thinking that aligns with your desires. Many people find themselves struggling because they don't truly believe in the power of their affirmations. They say the words, but in their hearts, there is doubt. This doubt can be a major obstacle. The subconscious mind only accepts what you genuinely believe to be true. If you are affirming something but internally feeling the opposite, you're sending mixed signals, and the results will reflect that. So, how do you overcome doubt? You must persist. Persistence is the key to breaking through the resistance of old patterns and beliefs. When you affirm something over and over, with conviction, you begin to chip away at the doubt. Slowly, the subconscious mind starts to accept this new idea as a reality. It may not happen overnight, but with consistency, the new belief will take root. Consider this: everything that exists in your life right now was once just a thought or an idea. The home you live in, the job you have, the relationships you are part of, these all started as thoughts or desires in your mind. Whether you realized it or not, you manifested these things through your repeated focus and belief. The process works the same way with affirmations. As you begin to declare your desires as already true, you set in motion the forces that bring them into being. One of the most powerful aspects of affirmations is their ability to shift your emotional state. When you affirm something positive, you begin to feel good, uplifted, and hopeful. This emotional shift is crucial because it raises your vibration. You attract what you feel. When you feel aligned with abundance, joy, and love, you draw more of these experiences into your life. There is also an important element of timing in this process. Sometimes, people get discouraged when they don't see immediate results from their affirmations. But just like seeds need time to grow, so too do your affirmations need time to manifest in your reality. Trust that what you are affirming is working beneath the surface, even if you can't see it right away. Patience is key, and so is unwavering belief. Another thing to consider is that the way you use affirmations should feel natural to you. Don't force yourself into a rigid routine that feels disconnected from your true self. Instead, find moments throughout your day where affirmations can seamlessly integrate. Perhaps when you wake up in the morning, you take a few minutes to affirm the kind of day you want to have. Or before going to sleep, you affirm the desires you wish to bring into your life. The more natural and effortless this process feels, the more powerful it becomes. Let's talk about how you can incorporate feeling into your affirmations. Merely reciting words without feeling will not produce the results you desire. When you speak of an affirmation, visualize yourself already living in that reality. If your affirmation is about health, feel the vitality and energy coursing through your body as you speak the words. If it's about love, imagine the warmth and joy of being in a loving relationship. The more vividly you can feel and see this in your mind, the more real it becomes to your subconscious. In fact, visualization is a crucial tool in manifesting your desires. When you combine affirmations with visualization, you are amplifying their power. Picture the end result, the feeling of accomplishment, the joy of having what you want. This not only strengthens the affirmation but also enhances your belief that it's already true. And note that the subconscious mind responds to images and emotions far more than just words. You are always creating, whether you are aware of it or not. The beauty of affirmations is that they give you the power to consciously direct this creative process. You no longer need to feel like life is happening to you. Instead, you can actively participate in shaping your reality. By aligning your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the outcome you desire, you become a powerful creator of your own experience. Affirmations also have the added benefit of shifting your internal dialogue. So often, we speak negatively to ourselves without even realizing it. We say things like, "I'm not good enough, I'll never succeed," or "things never work out for me." These statements are also affirmations, but they are affirmations of lack and limitation. The more you repeat them, the more they solidify in your subconscious, creating the very reality you fear. By consciously choosing positive affirmations, you are rewiring your brain to focus on what is possible instead of what is lacking. You are replacing old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. This doesn't just change how you feel about yourself, it changes how you interact with the world. When you believe in your worth, in your ability to create the life you want, you approach situations with confidence and positivity. This, in turn, attracts opportunities, resources, and people that are aligned with your new mindset. There's also a sense of peace that comes with knowing that you have the power to shape your own destiny. You don't need to rely on external circumstances to make you happy or fulfilled. Instead, you realize that everything you need is already within you, waiting to be brought into reality through your thoughts, feelings, and affirmations. One final point to note is that affirmations are most powerful when they are used consistently. This is not a one-time practice but a way of life. The more you immerse yourself in positive, intentional affirmations, the more your subconscious mind accepts them as truth. Over time, this becomes your default way of thinking and being. You no longer have to struggle to believe in your worth or your ability to manifest your desires, it becomes second nature. To summarize, affirmations are a direct pathway to manifesting your desires. They allow you to consciously choose the thoughts that shape your reality. By repeating them with feeling, persistence, and belief, you align your subconscious mind with the outcomes you wish to create. Be patient, trust the process, and know that everything you desire is already on its way to you. Keep affirming, keep believing, and watch as your thoughts become your reality. To conclude, I want to leave you with this important understanding. You have the power to shape your reality. You are not bound by circumstances or situations. The thoughts you focus on and the affirmations you use can change the course of your life. Everything you desire is within reach. What matters now is your commitment to take control of your thoughts and align them with the reality you want to experience. As you move forward, let this knowledge serve as a reminder that nothing is out of your grasp. The moment you decide to direct your thoughts toward what you truly desire, things begin to shift. Life begins to respond to the clarity of your intentions and your firm belief in what you're affirming. It's not a matter of luck, but of conscious creation. If you found this video valuable, please take a moment to like it and show your support for this channel. Your engagement helps spread this important message to others who may benefit from it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future content. There's so much more to explore, and you'll want to stay tuned for all the insights and teachings that are coming your way. Your support is greatly appreciated, and subscribing is the best way to stay connected. Plus, it ensures that you're the first to know when new videos are available, so you can keep expanding your knowledge and continue to apply these powerful principles. If this resonated with you, go ahead and like the video, and be sure to subscribe so that we can keep this conversation going. There's so much more we can explore together, and I look forward to sharing more valuable content with you. Lastly, take a moment to subscribe and stay engaged with this channel. Every time you do, you're investing in your own growth, and I'm committed to bringing you content that truly transforms your way of thinking. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I look forward to continuing with you.